Common questions about heating honey answered. Honey has been used for consumption and medicinal purposes throughout the years because of its incredible health benefits. Currently, you can find organic honey almost anywhere to get the essential nutrients you need like antioxidants, probiotics, vitamins, and minerals. Although it's sometimes integrated with other products, most consumers buy honey in Singapore pure and raw. This gives them more versatility to explore honey's many uses. But what happens if you heat it? Now, it's time to address these common questions. Does honey become toxic when it's heated? When heated, honey components found in honey will be rendered ineffective since the heat has a negative impact on certain minerals, enzymes, and vitamins. Despite this, it cannot make honey poisonous or lead to diseases. Does it lose its beneficial nutrients? Generally, the temperatures within the beehives can reach up to 35 degrees Celsius, which means that little heat cannot affect honey's nutritional value. Excessive temperatures, on the other hand, can change the potent properties of honey's key nutrients. As a result, high heat can damage the beneficial components and lose their effectiveness. What temperature is safest to heat honey? But if you genuinely need to heat honey for whatever purpose, a general rule is to limit it to 35 degrees Celsius. This will allow the honey to warm slowly and evenly while keeping the beneficial properties intact. Is there a safe way to warm honey? Moreover, be sure to use the proper methods of heating honey to preserve its natural nutrients. These methods are: boiling water. This is one of the safest methods to warm up your honey. To do this, you need to boil water in a pan first. Make sure not to include honey while boiling. Then, transfer the boiled water to a separate bowl. Set that bowl aside and let it cool down a bit. Afterward, take your honey jar and place it inside the warm water. Slow cooking. Another method is to use a slow cooker to warm honey. Firstly, place your honey jar in a separate container. Then, fill 3/4 of your slow cooker with water and place the container inside. This will prevent the water from seeping into your jar. Once everything is assembled, turn your slow cooker to the minimum setting at 48.9 degrees Celsius and keep the lid open. Use a thermometer to maintain the right amount of temperature. I hope this video helped you better understand the relationship between heat and honey. While heating honey doesn't result in toxicity, it can alter its beneficial properties. So, be sure to keep that in mind the next time you think about cooking with honey.